Assalamualaikum viewers. In this video I am going to show you how to read image using PyCharm. For that we will use OpenCV Library. I have already imported the CV2 library in the PyCharm. If you have not imported, then find my video link in the description to import the library. Open the PyCharm file and type import CV2. Now declare a variable which will store the properties of the image. This variable name is of your own choice, and after variable name type cvt.imread, which is a built-in function of CV2 library to read image, and in bracket place the quotation mark. Now go to the folder in which you have placed the image that you want to read by PyCharm, and open the properties of image by right clicking on image and copy the location of the image. Now paste the location in the quotation mark. Now again go towards the properties of image. Now copy the name of the image. And paste it after the location of the image in the quotation mark. And after all, note the image type and write it in the after with image name. Double the slash to avoid from errors. You put single slash, then it will give error. Now type cv2.imshowRead, which is a built-in function. In the bracket, write the name of the image that you want to show on the screen, and after that write variable that we have declared in the above line. In next line, write a function for wait key. This is for to wait the image. If we don't use this function, the image cannot be seen. The image window will shut down so fastly. That's to avoid from this we use wait key function. Now press the play button to view the image. Here the image that we want to read from PyCharm. If we enter 1 instead of 0 in the wait key function, then the image will display for only short period of time and it will shut down. And if you enter 100 in the bracket, then image will show for only 0.1 second. If you press 10,000 or greater value, the image will show for large time. 10,000 mean 10 seconds for 10 seconds. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and share it with friends.